mind is like a wild horse, it doesn't know how to behave. If emotions and passions are not controlled, how can you have stillness? The mind has what constitutes the mind? I am not the body, I am not the thoughts, I am not the emotions, I am not the mind. The mind, including the manomaya, bhavanatmak, pranamaya, or annamaya kosh, the mind, including all of this, is an instrument of the soul, developed, maintained, used, upgraded by the soul for functioning, for the accomplishment of the great vision, the divine plan in a group for many hundreds of incarnations. I am that soul. I am a spiritual being of divine light, love, and power. Vishnu, Brahma, or Shiva Tattva, made in the image of God. I am that I am. I am one with my higher soul, one with the divine spark or the Paramatma within me. I am a child of God, connected one with God and one with all. Sometimes the mind is like a wild horse, it doesn't know how to behave. If emotions and passions are not controlled, how can you have stillness? The mind is like a blind horse, is a wild horse. The mind is a wild horse. मन जो है एक ऐसा घोड़ा है जिसका मति भ्रष्ट हो जाता है कभी कभी, तो अगर उस पे आप लगाम कस के नहीं चलाओ उसको, तो वो अपना मन मर्जी करेगा, आपको भी साथ लेके डुबाएगा। आप मतलब आत्मा भी साथ डूब सकता है। To achieve calmness and stillness, you must activate the heart chakra. The heart has to become big. The understanding has to be in place that I am the soul. Within the stillness, you develop buddhi chitta or the buddhic intelligence. In modern English, buddhic intelligence means higher intuitive intelligence, not wisdom. Repeat, listen to me. बुद्धि चित्ता क्या है? बुद्धि चित्ता, हाँ, खाली चित्ता is the mind. Yes, चित्त वृत्ति निरोध. Yoga is chit vritti nirodh. That is, yoga helps in stabilizing the mind. But when you are in stillness, you have gone beyond the mind, you have gone into the intuitional world. That is the world of the buddhi chitta. So buddhic intelligence is intuitive intelligence, which is different from the mental intelligence or the chitta. Please listen, please listen, please listen. Other asanas, breathing techniques calm down the mind, but the planetary peace meditation brings about stillness, which raises your consciousness to the Buddhic world and takes you into the world of intuitive intelligence, Buddhi Chitta. Through this stillness, you realize your own divinity and you realize the divinity in others. Only and only Advait starts from the crown chakra. In the Ajna chakra, there can be good and bad, Dvaita. In the throat chakra, there can be good and bad, Dvait. In the heart chakra, there can be good and bad, Dvait. सोलर प्लेक्सस और नीचे के चक्रा तो बोलना ही नहीं है, गुड एंड बैड होता ही है, द्वैत। एक ही चक्रा है जिसमें बैड और नेगेटिव क्वालिटीज नहीं टिक पाते हैं, द सहस्त्रार चक्रा। द क्राउन चक्रा इज अद्वैत, oneness, actual experience of oneness when the crown chakra is activated. And when the consciousness of the person will be in the crown chakra or in the intuitive world for a greater degree of time, that person becomes the Buddha. He is in the Buddhi Chitta. The greater the intuitive intelligence, the greater the stillness, and the greater the experience of actual oneness. Oneness does not start until the person actually opens the crown chakra. There is no possibility of experiencing oneness if the crown chakra is not adequately opened up. The experience of oneness is lost when the crown chakra closes after the meditation. The experience of competition, conflict starts when the crown chakra is closed. The experience of oneness starts when the crown chakra is opened. That is the purpose of the stillness. So the greater inner activities will become more and more developed as you experience the opening of the crown chakra. As you experience the opening of the crown chakra.